I'm Amitake. I love exploring Japanese food and sharing its story with the world. Joining me today is the Samurai Cat, who is helping us research and document the traditional Japanese cuisine. Our theme this time: why do Japanese people eat somen noodle on Tanabata in summer? The second half, I'll actually prepare some somen myself. Samurai Cat, today's mission might be a bit of a challenge. Are you ready to begin the investigation? Understood. I shall journey back through history and commence the investigation immediately. July 7th is Tanabata, also known as a Star Festival, one of Japan's 5 traditional seasonal festivals, Goseku. Tanabata is famous for the romantic legend of Orihime and Hikoboshi, two celestial lovers connected across the Milky Way who are allowed to meet just once a year. That's where somen comes in. The long, thin white noodles are said to symbolize both the swirling Milky Way and the delicate weaving thread of Orihime, the weaver star. On this day, people write their wish on a colorful paper strip called tanzaku and hang them on bamboo branches, praying for good fortune, improved skills, and a bountiful harvest. Here are Samurai Cat's findings from the investigation. Finding 1. The history of somen. Somen has a long history. It was brought back to Japan from Tang Dynasty China by Kentoshi Japanese envoys during the Nara period. According to Emperor's Diary written in 890, somen-like food was already be eaten by common people on July 7th. Finding 2. Ancient predecessor. Samurai Cat discovered an ancient ceremonial code called the Engi-shiki, compiled over 1,000 years ago. It mentions a food called sakubei, which is believed to be an ancestor of modern somen. Over time, this imperial court dish spread across Japan, and by the Edo period, ordinary people were enjoying somen too. Finding 3. Making July 7th Somen Day. In fact, July 7th was officially designated as a Somen Day in 1982 by the National Federation of Dried Noodle Cooperatives. Lord Take, I have one question. Why are wishes tied to bamboo? You might be wondering why bamboo. Bamboo and bamboo grass are considered sacred in Japan because of their vibrant energy and the way they grow straight toward the sky. By the way, my name Take is actually written with the Japanese character for bamboo, so maybe this channel can bring you a little good luck too. Oh, that's why the name is Take. Somen is light, refreshing, and easy to eat, and even when the hot summer weather drops your appetite. Now let's make a refreshing bowl of Tanabata somen. First, let's make a dipping sauce to you. 200 ml of shirodashi, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons mirin, half tablespoon sugar. Combine all ingredients in a pot and bring it to a boil. Next, prepare your seasonal aromatic like myoga. Slice it thinly into strips. Myoga is Japanese gingerbread, which brings a fresh and subtle spicy aroma to the dish. Remove the dried somen noodles from the box. Creating somen noodles this fine requires exceptional craftsmanship. Briefly boil the somen for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Once drained, rinse the noodle under cold running water and gently rub them with your hand to remove excess starch and surface oil. Finally, top with seasonal grasses ashirai. For a touch of summer presentation, I like to place a fresh green maple leaf beside the noodles. It's not meant to be eaten, but it's created a cool, refreshing summer vibe. You enjoy your somen? Take a moment to make a wish for good health, happiness, and a wonderful summer. Happy Tanabata! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.